Lapor Handy is a breakthrough to eliminate negative public perceptions of the Semarang city government by opening the access to complaints through various ways, centralizing all forms of complaints, transparency, and accountability for complaints that can be accessed by the public and participating in the lapor.go.id program, which is synergized with Lapor Handy. Utilization of big data analytics technology requires the latest information technology, which in addition to being able to integrate all complaints management system in the agencies, is also able to integrate the complaint data for analysis, so that it can provide input on development planning. To implement the Lapor Handy system, the Semarang city government provides a budget of 1.7 billion rupiah in 2021. Complaints and aspirations given by the people of Semarang City through Lapor Handy almost cover all the goals of SDGs 2030. Starting from community demands regarding social assistance, cash direct assistance, family help program, death assistance, business capital assistance, health facility assistance, inclusiveness in public facilities, the problem of providing clean water through regional drinking water companies, employment insurance, optimizing public facilities such as roads, parks, bridges, requests for assistance for floods, handling waste in rivers and seas, to eradicating illegal devices on public service agencies. This means Lapor Handy is an effort to end poverty and hunger, achieve food security, ensure a healthy life, ensure inclusiveness in education, ensure inclusive education, achieve gender equality, ensure the availability and management of clean water, ensure access to energy, support inclusive economic growth, build infrastructure resilient, reduce inequality within countries, build inclusive cities and settlements, ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns, take action to combat climate change, conserve and sustainably use resources, protect ecosystems, support peaceful and inclusive societies, strengthen implementation measures, and revitalize partnerships. The data shows that the involvement of women and people with disabilities in submitting complaints and aspirations has only reached around 20%. The choice of gender and people with disabilities in the reporting process through the Lapor Handy's Android application even appears as a special menu. For this reason, the Semarang city government initiated to draw up a roadmap for complaint management Lapor Handy to be directed at increasing the involvement of vulnerable groups, women, and people with disabilities in submitting complaints and aspirations. Lapor Handy has started to use big data analytics technology so that complaint data can also be used as a basis for development planning. Many cities or districts have visited the Semarang city government specifically to learn about Lapor Handy. For example, the Pasuruan city government, Kulon Progo Regency government, Bandung city government, Wonogiri Regency government, and etc. In practice, Lapor Handy collaborates with NGOs, communities such as Patiro, IDEA, Transparency International Indonesia, Open Government Indonesia in planning the development of complaint management, and Mix Semar Sigap, Scouts, Bankom Polrestabes, and FKPM Sriti in terms of follow-up on handling complaints in the field. Lapor Handy is regularly evaluated annually by the Ministry of Home Affairs and the Ministry of Administrative Reform and Bureaucratic Reform, the Ministry of Communication and Information, and has produced several awards since 2018 until now. Lapor Handy will be sustainable because it is listed in the vision and mission of the Mayor of Semarang.